Solution for text based exercise. This and this I will show you. Note that this is the solution for exercise 1 and 2 of chapter number 2 Tarosuri Reward, page number 17. Now next exercise, working with text. Solution for this exercise number 2 and exercise number 2 and next exercise number 3, 4. You will just comes to know about that. Just watch this carefully. Let's watch and comes to know about the answers of exercise 2, 3 and 4 of page number 18, 19, chapter 2 Tarosuri Reward.
Tick the correct answer.
Answer of 4 is option C. Answer of 5, tick the correct, is option number 2. Now let's watch exercise number 3, fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks with the help of clue box.
This made Taro sadder. He decided to work dash than before. He decided to work harder than before. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual, earlier than usual. Next, he began to shop even faster. Next morning, Taro started for work even dash than morning before. Again, here we will fill earlier. Next, we will do write true or false.
Mark true or false.
An old woodcutter named Sorrow. Sorrow is wrong. Here should be Taro. So it is false. Next, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. Yes, it is right. Taro saw a dirty long water? No, because he saw little magic water. False. The old man was delighted with the sake. Yes, because his father was very delighted when he drank the magic water. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. Yes, this is true because this story reached to the Emperor of Japan. Students, I will again show you the answers of all questions. That is part 5 on your book, page number 19, chapter 2, thorough reward. Let's watch all the answers of questions. If this work is pending, you can do that. These are the questions. You have done all these on your notebook. Now again I will show you all these questions answers so that you can do your pending work. These are the answers. Subject English, English Carnival question answer chapter 2. Answer of question first, second, third, fourth. Five. This is answer of question 6, 7, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I hope you noted all this on your notebook. Now we will do exercise number 6, 7, 8 and 9, page number 20. I will these exercise that are on page number 20 of your book, chapter number 2, thorough reward. This is page number 20 of your book, exercise 6, 7, 8, 9. I will show you its answers. Students, these are the exercises related to rhyming words, and this also you have to make the pairs, and here you have to write the rhyming words. And this is also very simple. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box. These are adjectives given in box. You have to fill these in this. I will show you its answer. So now these are the answers, chapter 2, thorough reward, page number 20, working with language, vocabulary, exercise 7. These are pairs of rhyme word, and this is exercise 8. These are the solutions. Okay, and this is the solution of exercise 8. Next, this is exercise 8 up to this 5th point. Next, enrich your grammar. These are the answers of fill-ups. Now we will move forward. The next exercises. This is exercise 9. To solve this exercise, students, listen me carefully and answer out of that what you hear. So first listen me carefully to answer these questions. How you have to answer in yes or no. First listen me carefully, then answer these statement in yes or no and put yes or no in these boxes after listening. So listen me. There are almost 400 different kinds of sharks. Sharks exist in some sharks are bigger than a school bus, while others are so small that they can live in fish tanks. Sharks come in all kinds of, but some sharks that live in the deepest part of the oceans actually have parts that glow in the dark. student, if you listen to me, then you find that the answer of first is sharks exist in all four oceans of the world. Its answer is yes. You have to write here yes. I can't write in these boxes. You have to write. All sharks are of same color, same size. No, this is no. Its answer is no. They are of different colors. Yes, its answer is yes. Some sharks can be kept in fish tanks. Yes, its answer is yes. Next, some sharks have body part that glow. Yes, it's right. Answer is yes. Now there is speaking skill. Student, it is very interesting part. These are the tongue twisters. You have to speak these. I will speak number 2. I like this. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the butter better. Similarly, the first one is how much wood a woodcutter chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood. So the third is she sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are the seashells, I'm sure. For it she sells sells on the seashore, then I'm sure she shells seashore shells. Student, do practice of it. How many times you do practice of it, you can speak it very fast. So enjoy these tongue twisters. These are very interesting activity. Do it. Next is writing skill. The story Thoreau's reward show that Thoreau is thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Wise mean intelligent. Write the parts of stories that show these qualities in Thoreau. Students, these are the answers. Solution of page number 21, exercise number 11 and 12. This is number 12. Writing skill answer. Answer of question first. Answer of question first. Answer of question first, second, and third. No. This all is answer of question this. Write the parts of the story that show these qualities in Thoreau. So these are the parts of the story that shows qualities in Thoreau. This is the answer of second A. Next. This is question, which story do you like better and why? This is question and this is answer of second B. Now this is third question. Now write a paragraph of or two about these two stories comparing. Its answer is question number 2. Question number 2's answer is also the answer of question number 3. So write the same answer here of question number 2's answer here. Next, reading skill. I will show you answers of the reading skill paragraph. These are the reading skill paragraph answers. This is page number 22 of your English Carnival book, chapter number 2, Thorough Reward. Students, for any query, if you have any other problem related to your study, you can call me. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye.